You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is the plural of the word pupil. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Pupil. Now, the plural is pronounced as pupils. Note that the S is pronounced more like a Z. Pupils. Pupils. Stress on the first syllable. Those are students in a classroom or school. Pupils. English pronunciation, how to pronounce pupils. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.